Hey everybody, this is Aaron. I'm back as promised to continue the onboard computer installation. If you didn't see the first video on how to install the hardware, I will put a link right up here so you can click on that and start off with that video. Then you can come back here and follow along as we enable it with the Durametric tool. If you've never seen this thing before, I have another video that I just made on how to install and set this up. This will enable you to do some cool stuff with your Porsche, not just the Boxster, but most of them. So go ahead and check this link out up here if you are unfamiliar with this, and then come back here and we will jump right into using the tool to enable this. All right, we got the tool connected and up and running. Now, if I go to the instrument cluster and go to activations, there are a lot of cool things we can do in here. So the key buzzer, should we start the key buzzer? Oh, you can hear the key buzzer, and let's stop it. So yeah, lots of cool things in here. But if we go to commands, this is where we can enable our onboard computer or we can disable it. So ours is obviously disabled already. So if you see here under miles per hour, there is nothing. So if I come back over here and click on send, it is going to warn us not to do this on a 996 turbo. Okay. Now we come back over, bam, we have our 73 degrees outside. It is a beautiful day. Now for the big drum roll, I am going to test our new stock that we just installed. So, oh gosh, I'm a little nervous. So I will, let's see if I can show you both at the same time. If I push this up, oh, it worked. Changed to average miles an hour, which of course there's nothing right now. Or maybe that's our average miles per hour. And we have our average miles per gallon, 22.7, interesting. And miles till empty. I have 151 more miles before I need gas, and we're under half a tank here. And back to that. So that is awesome. My stock works. I was a little nervous filming things that I've never tried out before, but another success. And I mentioned this in the first video, but I'll mention it again here. Even if you do not install the stock and you enable this, you will get the outside temperature. So it will always be there. You just won't be able to toggle to see the other one. So if you have a Durametric already, even without the stock, I would highly suggest enabling this and you'll get some free functionality. And this completes our onboard computer enabling tutorial. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you know there will be more Boxster content coming soon.